This weekend, the Shelby County General Sessions Court Clerk's Office is focusing on a mission to create an environment where people are empowered to contribute positively to society. To talk about this upcoming expungement program to help residents get their cleared records beginning this weekend, we are live with Allison Smith from the clerk's office. Thanks for coming through the rain.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for having me this morning. I am honored to serve in this capacity.
Oh, I love that. And
yes,
can you just tell us about the expungement program and how it works?
Yes, ma'am. So essentially, the expungement program is the erasure of misdemeanor charges on a person's record. Usually, a person may want an expungement if they're a hindrance in finding job opportunities and to just re-entry back into society.
Right, and that has a great impact on the community at large. Can you just talk about why this does matter to Memphis and Shelby County?
Yes, ma'am. Working at General Sessions, you see all walks of life. You see moms with children crying because a court case didn't go as planned. So this is important because our constituents need to be met with a second chance rather than being antagonized for the reasons of being in our courts.
You really hit home. I mean, so you're there in the courthouse and you're seeing this. How are you seeing that the misdemeanor charges, which are nonviolent,
yes,
not felony charges, how are these impacting people's lives and the community at large?
Yes, ma'am. Well, the first thing is that it could inhibit, job searches, benefits, things of that nature. And quite frankly, a lot of the times, the crimes that we see are crimes of poverty. They're crimes of
desperation.
Yes, ma'am. They're crimes of people trying to find surviving needs for certain aspects of their families, for their personal life. So we see a bunch of survival. We see a bunch of heart. And our mission is to ensure that through the gold standard, we are there for our constituents because we are serving them.
Okay, and so talk to me about what happens with the expungements. Like, how does that work? What is that process?
Yes, ma'am. So we have clerks in the criminal section of General Sessions, and they would process the person's name, see if there are any charges that are expungible, which would be those misdemeanor charges. And this is through a system called Odyssey. And then through that process, we have waived our a $100 fee. Thank you to Clerk Sawyer for putting that at the forefront and ensuring that accessibility is paramount for our constituents.
Okay, and so you're also hosting a job resource fair.
It is a community resource fair.
Okay, so not just jobs.
Not just jobs.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Wide range of vendors, from housing assistance to educational programs, to fathers dealing with child support services. It's a wide range. It's going to be 40 vendors this weekend at Abundant Grace Fellowship Church, 1574 East Shelby Drive. Yes, ma'am.
And when it says legal help, what does that mean?
So we will have a few on-site attorneys that are a part of our team, and they're just going to be helping with the flow of the expungement process. They're going to be standing in. There isn't really any legal advice that can be given, but they will be there as a ground of support and means of resource for our constituents.
All right, Allison Smith, thank you for coming in and explaining this program and inviting the public to find that second chance. Appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.